The internet has changed the way people work across the world. Years ago, most professionals depended only on local jobs, offices, and physical businesses to make money. Today, a person sitting in Nairobi, Kisumu, Eldoret, Nyamira, Mombasa, or Nakuru can work for international clients without leaving Kenya. This has created huge opportunities for professionals with specialized skills. Among the most profitable skills today are legal knowledge and tax expertise. Many Kenyan professionals still believe that online work is only for programmers, graphic designers, writers, and social media marketers. However, there is a growing global demand for people who understand law, taxation, compliance, business registration, contracts, and financial regulations. International companies, startups, remote workers, investors, and even small business owners are looking for experts who can help them understand African and Kenyan regulations. A Kenyan lawyer, tax consultant, accountant, compliance officer, business advisor, or legal researcher can now earn money online by helping international clients solve business and legal problems. Some professionals are earning more than Kenya shillings 300,000 every month while working remotely from home. Others have turned their expertise into consulting businesses that serve clients across Africa, Europe, the United States of America, the Middle East, and Asia. One of the biggest reasons this opportunity is growing is because Africa is becoming more attractive to global investors and startups. Many foreign companies want to expand into Kenya and East Africa. They need professionals who understand local tax laws, employment rules, company registration procedures, licensing requirements, and financial compliance. Instead of hiring expensive international law firms, many businesses prefer working with independent consultants who charge affordable rates while still providing quality expertise. Kenyan professionals have several advantages in this global market. First, English is widely spoken in Kenya, which makes communication easier with international clients. Second, Kenya has a strong digital economy and one of the best mobile money systems in Africa. Third, many Kenyan professionals already understand international business trends because they regularly interact with foreign companies and digital platforms. Finally, operating costs in Kenya are lower than in many Western countries, allowing Kenyan consultants to offer competitive pricing while still earning very good income. One of the best places to start is freelance marketplaces. These websites connect professionals with businesses looking for specialized services. A person can create a profile, list services, and begin applying for projects. Some of the biggest platforms include Upwork, Fiverr, Contra, and Toptal. These platforms allow professionals to work with clients from different countries while receiving payments online. Upwork is one of the most popular platforms for remote consulting. Kenyan professionals can offer legal research, tax consulting, contract drafting, compliance support, and business advisory services. Instead of describing themselves simply as lawyers or accountants, successful freelancers focus on a specific niche. For example, a person may position themselves as a Kenyan startup compliance consultant, an African tax advisor, or a cross-border business expert. This specialization helps attract better clients because businesses prefer experts who solve specific problems. Many freelancers make the mistake of offering too many unrelated services. A person who claims to do legal work, accounting, social media marketing, graphic design, and data entry at the same time usually appears less professional. International clients want specialists. Someone known for helping foreign startups register businesses in Kenya is more likely to earn higher income than someone offering general services without clear focus. Fiverr works differently from Upwork because professionals create fixed-price service packages called gigs. A Kenyan legal consultant can sell services such as company registration guidance for Kenya shillings 15,000, tax consultation for Kenya shillings 8,000, or contract drafting for Kenya shillings 20,000. This approach allows professionals to standardize their work and scale their income more efficiently. Toptal is another platform that connects highly skilled professionals with premium international clients. The application process is competitive, but accepted consultants often work with larger companies willing to pay higher rates. Professionals with strong experience in corporate law, taxation, auditing, and compliance may find excellent opportunities there. LinkedIn has also become one of the most powerful tools for finding international clients. Many companies now search LinkedIn directly when looking for consultants and remote specialists. Kenyan professionals who regularly publish useful information about taxation, business law, and compliance can attract clients naturally. A person who shares valuable insights every week slowly builds trust and authority online. Content creation is becoming one of the strongest ways to attract consulting clients. A tax consultant who writes blog posts explaining freelancer taxes in Kenya may attract remote workers needing help with compliance. A lawyer who creates YouTube videos about business registration may attract startups wanting legal guidance. A compliance expert who publishes LinkedIn posts about anti-money laundering regulations may attract fintech companies looking for support. This strategy works because people trust professionals who teach openly. When potential clients see valuable educational content, they begin viewing the professional as an expert. Over time, this can generate consistent inbound leads without spending large amounts on advertising. There are many profitable niches in legal and tax consulting today. One fast-growing area is freelancer tax consulting. Thousands of Kenyans now earn money online through remote work, content creation, software development, affiliate marketing, and digital services. Many do not understand how taxes work for online income. Professionals who can explain Kenya Revenue Authority obligations, foreign income reporting, turnover tax, and compliance requirements are becoming increasingly valuable. Another profitable niche is startup compliance consulting. Foreign companies entering Kenya need help understanding local regulations. They may need assistance with company registration, licensing, payroll setup, tax compliance, employment laws, or data protection requirements. A consultant who understands these systems can earn significant income by guiding businesses through the process. Immigration and work permit consulting is another growing field. International workers, digital nomads, investors, and business owners often need help understanding Kenyan immigration procedures. Professionals who understand permits, visas, investor requirements, and business regulations can provide valuable support remotely. Financial technology companies are also creating opportunities for compliance specialists. Anti-money laundering and know your customer compliance have become major priorities for banks, fintech startups, cryptocurrency companies, and digital payment platforms. Professionals with experience in compliance and risk management are increasingly being hired remotely. One important lesson for Kenyan professionals is that international clients care deeply about communication. A person may have excellent technical knowledge but still struggle online because of poor communication habits. Successful consultants respond quickly, write clearly, provide updates regularly, and maintain professionalism throughout projects. Clients want reliability as much as expertise. Building a strong online profile is also essential. A professional LinkedIn profile should clearly explain services, expertise, and experience. A simple website can improve credibility significantly. Testimonials from past clients also help build trust. Many clients prefer working with professionals who already have evidence of successful projects. Pricing is another important factor. Many beginners charge extremely low prices because they fear losing clients. This often attracts difficult clients who expect too much while paying very little. Professionals should focus on value instead of competing only on price. A specialist helping a company avoid legal problems or tax penalties provides significant value and should charge accordingly. For example, helping a foreign startup register properly in Kenya may save the company large future costs. A compliance audit that prevents regulatory penalties can protect a business from financial losses. Clients are often willing to pay well for expertise that reduces risk. International payments have become easier for Kenyan freelancers and consultants. Platforms like PayPal, Payoneer, Wise, and direct bank transfers allow professionals to receive money from clients worldwide. Many Kenyans now connect PayPal accounts to local banks such as Equity Bank and Kenya Commercial Bank for withdrawals. Mobile money services also continue improving digital payment accessibility. However, professionals earning online income must still remain compliant with Kenyan tax regulations. Many people assume online income is invisible to authorities, but this can create problems later. Freelancers and consultants should understand their obligations regarding income tax, turnover tax, value-added tax, and business registration requirements. Operating formally can actually improve business growth. Registered businesses often appear more credible to international clients. Some companies prefer working only with properly registered consultants and firms. Maintaining professionalism and compliance also helps create long-term stability. The global remote economy is still growing rapidly. More businesses are becoming comfortable hiring remote consultants instead of traditional employees. This trend creates enormous opportunities for skilled professionals in Kenya. Unlike physical businesses that require large startup capital, Legal and tax consulting mainly requires expertise, internet access, communication skills, and strategic positioning. A young graduate with specialized knowledge can begin offering services online with relatively low investment. An experienced lawyer can expand beyond local clients and build an international consulting business. An accountant can specialize in remote worker taxation and attract digital entrepreneurs worldwide. A compliance officer can support fintech companies across Africa while working entirely online. The professionals who succeed most are usually those who focus on long-term reputation instead of quick money. They invest in learning, communication, branding, and client relationships. They stay updated on regulatory changes and market trends. They continuously improve their online visibility through content creation and networking. One powerful advantage of online consulting is scalability. A professional can start with one client and gradually build recurring monthly income. Over time, they can hire assistants, create digital products, offer training sessions, or launch agencies. Some consultants eventually transition from hourly work into high-value advisory services. For example, a tax consultant may begin with simple freelancer consultations, charging Kenya shillings 5,000 per session. Later, they may create online courses, corporate workshops, compliance packages, and premium advisory services worth hundreds of thousands of shillings. This growth becomes possible because expertise can be packaged in many ways. Technology will continue changing the professional world. Artificial intelligence, automation, and remote work are transforming how businesses operate. However, human expertise in law, taxation, compliance, negotiation, and strategic advice will remain valuable for many years. Companies still need people who can interpret regulations, analyze risks, and provide context-specific guidance. Kenyan professionals who embrace digital opportunities early may position themselves ahead of many competitors. Instead of depending entirely on local economic conditions, they can access global markets and international clients. This creates income diversification and financial resilience. The future belongs to professionals who combine expertise with digital visibility. A skilled person hidden offline may struggle financially, while another professional with strong online positioning may attract clients from around the world. In today's economy, visibility matters almost as much as skill. A person does not need to become famous overnight to succeed. Consistency matters more. Publishing useful content regularly, maintaining professionalism, improving communication, and delivering quality work gradually build authority and trust. Over time, opportunities begin increasing naturally. For many Kenyans, remote legal and tax consulting represents more than just another side hustle. It is becoming a serious career path capable of generating sustainable income and long-term business growth. The combination of global demand, digital platforms, and specialized expertise has created opportunities that did not exist a few years ago. The internet has opened doors that were previously available only to large firms and international corporations. Today, a skilled Kenyan professional with a laptop, internet connection, and strong expertise can compete globally from almost anywhere in the country. The opportunity is real, growing, and increasingly profitable for those willing to position themselves strategically and deliver real value to clients across the world. /span/p/body